Math Gangster here. How you guys doing? Lots of questions about how can kissing cousins help you solve algebra equations. So here is how kissing your cousin can help you out. If you take a look at this equation, I have variables on both sides of the equal sign. I got some parentheses with a -3 on the right. So the first thing I'm going to have to do here is distribute this -3 to everything that's in the parentheses. This gives me 36 plus 5n equals -3 times n is -3n. -3 times 4 is a -12, so I'm going to write -12. Taking a look at the information on the screen, this is where the kissing cousin part comes in. I need to get my variables on one side and my numbers on the other. And I've said numerous times, I don't like having negative variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3n. And when I'm adding 3n, if I do it to one side of the equal sign, I have to do it to the other. And you may have heard your teacher say before, if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. And now I'm going to extend it and say, just like kissing your cousin. This is going to give me 36. Wait. Did he just say, just like kissing your cousin? Think about your cousin right here smiling at you. Haven't seen him a long time, and let's say your cousin's from France. Now, what do individuals from France do when they see family members that they like? They give them a little kiss on the cheek over here on the right, and they give a little kiss on the cheek on the left. And you have to balance out both cheeks because you don't want one to feel left out. The same thing applies to algebra. If you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other, just like kissing your cousin. This becomes 36 plus 8n equals -12. How can I get rid of that positive 36? I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. If you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other, just like kissing your cousin. This is going to give me 8n equals -48. So this is 8 times n equals -48. What is the opposite of multiplying by 8? Dividing by 8. And if you do it to one side, you have to do it the other, just like you guys got it. -48 divided by 8, n gives me -6. Math Gangster says goodbye and say thanks to your cousins. Math Gangster for life.
That's what I'm talking about. Doing math and making friends. Math Gangsta for life.